good morning. And this is a corona time, nobody mother now the money for print nothing. The only money them have for more eat. I don't know not helping. I don't know the park picnic them and get food. We not get no food when they pan park. So look money when I can use print that could have saved and buy a pound of chicken back. See, me say send work in a group, me nah look pan no work in a, me nah look pan no work. Right about now, me have to keep my house clean all the time. Me can't go road and it a mad me, cause of corona. Yo, I can't bother now. More no me say send work in a group for now, it no make no sense cause nobody nah do it, nobody. And then again, we hear say we are gonna repeat, so I better no wait until we come school September and the teacher over back everything cause I can't bother with this.